I'm excited today, y'all. Another 2021 covered edition right here at Aikens and Wild Willies in Winder, Georgia. Got a little comparison for you today too. Got a 2020 pulled up next to it, fully stocked. I'm excited for this one, so stay tuned. Let's get after it. Okay, y'all, let's dive right into it. So on the left, we have a new color, carbonized gray F150 2021 model, 502A Lariat Sport. And then on the right, we have a 2020 XLT Sport in magnetic gray. So this is not a true representation because this is a XLT truck and it's not been modified at all. This is a plain stock truck. I just wanted to show you, I guess, mainly just the differences between the two as far as the body and appearance, and then those colors are slightly different also. So here's a good look at the front. Keep in mind the one on the right has not been leveled at all. It's a stock truck. And then on the one on the left is our newest Covert edition right here at Aikens and Wild Willies, guys. So up front, you just notice the grille. The grille seems more prominent and wide and substantial. And then just your lower bumper is completely different as well. And then obviously just headlights. So the headlights went from a C-shaped style to a more, still has a kind of a C-shaped look to it, but just a more solid squared off style. And then of course, look at that fog light, your fog light difference there versus your old school style fog light there in the 2020. They did a great job for sure. Now you got front park sensors now as well, finally, which I really do like that. And then that LED signature lighting really does look killer. And then you got LED headlights on this one. On the XLT, we're still halogen bulbs. In this particular one, a true comparison would be a Lariat to show you the LED difference between the headlights. Now let's talk color. So as far as color, this magnetic gray, you've seen in our other videos, hopefully, that this magnetic, to me, has more of a pixeled metallic flake in it. There's a good look at it there. And then over here at your new carbonized gray, maybe you can see. So I think the pixels are just smaller. Your metallic flake is just a smaller pixeled metallic flake in it. And of course, essentially, they tried to do this very similar in their colors because the magnetic was a great color. So here's a good shot here. Got better lighting. So it just looks a little bit lighter, the carbonized gray versus the magnetic. Let me know what you think on the differences between these two colors. I kind of like the carbonized. Seeing them side by side, the carbonized looks pretty daggum good to me, guys and gals. Now coming on back here to the back, door handles look very similar, but every body panel has been modified on this new vehicle. Now out back, you can see tailgate is definitely different between the two. Still has that nice embossed F150 look, and that fin style top of your tailgate for aerodynamics is really nice. Even the lower bumper is different. Just a killer look. I'm gonna open the door and show you on the inside. Keep in mind, y'all, this is the XLT, so it's not a true legit comparison for you, so I apologize, but a look at the 2020 interior. Just needs leather and it'd be very similar to a Lariat. And then, oh my gosh, y'all, look at this interior. I mean, honestly, this interior on the 2021 makes my current F150 Raptor and all the 2020s look outdated. I hate to say it, but it just really does. Let me know what you think about that too. I want to show you one last shot of a front comparison of the 2021 on the left versus the 2020 on the right. Now I'm going to get the 2020 out the way and have our main feature right here. Now here we go, carbonized gray 2021 F150 Lariat Sport, bad boy, leveled on 34s right here at Wild Willies at Aikens. We love what we do. We love Ford Motor Company, and we love this truck. Such a great refresh, revamp, all the way around, inside and out, y'all. So leveled on 34s via our 2¼ inch ready lift level kit. That stance is money. Check out that look right there. Man, I love this truck. I love it. Love this color too. And love this sport wheel. Now available for the 21s. It has a great finish to it. It's almost like a satin finish. It's not a matte. It still has a little bit of sheen to it. Really do like it. It's kind of a semi-directional wheel also. And of course, our tried and true 295 60/20 Nitto Ridge Grappler, that hybrid tire that's so popular. #1 tire in America for many great reasons, y'all. And I love this stance. Now, well, I've told you before, we have so much clearance now. We had to do no trimming whatsoever to run this setup. We want to push the envelope here soon and, you know, try some 35s. So be on the lookout. Let us know what tire you want to see. We're definitely going to try to push the limit on how big we can go without doing any kind of modifications. But this is a great setup right here. Now up front, I've got the signature lighting on. I want to show you that also. Solo, that looks so killer. So it still has that C shape to it. It's just a more elongated C shape, and it has that brake in it, obviously, but below the light and the bumper. But I love that. I mean, coming down the road, it looks so nice. Now, we're going to do some emblem painting as well very soon. Also some grille painting, but this one we want to do just a clean, simple Covert leveled on 34 for you. Out back, we've got the Retrax Pro XR retractable bed covers, that polycarbonate. Very nice. And the XR gives you the capability to run bed covers, bed racks, different accessories to mount up to just utilize this space even better. Now, I love that new tail light design. Looks killer. It says blind spot monitor, and the FX4 symbol's been changed as well. You can get wheel well liners from the factory. We did not order it on this one, but aftermarket wise or from Ford Accessory, not available yet. So be on the lookout for some wheel well liners from us. Now out back, love this tailgate. I'm saying love a lot, y'all, but it's hard to not say love when you truly just love this build and this truck. Now the new tailgate, as you've seen in our videos before, got Aikens liner, also guaranteed for life. Now I want to jump inside and give you one more side shot. I want to jump inside and show you the interior once more. And before I do that, keep in mind our new accessory showroom, Wild Willys at Aikens Ford, your top 8 Ford dealership nationally. It's been a colder day, but a nice day, very busy as always. Let's jump inside. Much I'd love to review this truck again in totality. I'm just going to show you some of the things that I like and some interior shots. Now this has it looks like a Brunello interior combo to me. The black leather with that, it looks like Brunello. It looks like the old school platinum Brunello. And then also in your seats, it's got it in the piping. And then perforated seats, which look very nice, even on your center console there. I've heard a lot of different takes on this, and I like it. I like the accessorization of it, or complementing of it being not just one single color. But I kind of think that on a sport truck, it should be maybe just a solo color with maybe a silver contrast or gray. The Brunello would fit more like a platinum vehicle or a King Ranch or something like that. So I'm not knocking it by any means, but just being honest with you guys on what I would prefer or think it should be anyway. Now this big screen, I've told you before, is the main attraction on this interior, and it just looks phenomenal. It really complements the whole interior as a whole, as far as setting up the interior to be that much nicer throughout. Got your B&O. This area is even larger. Your storage area, dual glove box, that nice brushed finish that you would see previously on like platinum vehicles. Just nice materials everywhere you feel. The steering wheel even feels nicer. Same, that nice drop down shape there. This looks killer. Just such a premium feel. The new center cluster there. Now I will say, guys and gals, we've got a lot of 21s that we're working on right now, and we've got a great one going to Florida. It's going to be a game changer. It's a black platinum, so please stay tuned for that. Just a very fitting, phenomenal interior. Ford keeps pushing the envelope. While I'm on the inside, I forgot to tell you, I put a Ronin stubby antenna up front as well, just kind of clean it up, especially when you pull into the parking garage or your garage at home. It won't be hitting the top of it, and it just looks cleaner. So a Ronin stubby. The first Covert edition 2021 we did, the iconic silver, the total before discounts price was about 5,000 less. It was right around 63 grand. So this one has more options, properly equipped. It has the Ford Copilot 360, active prep, active park assist 2.0, which is a great feature, twin panel moonroof, the max trailer tow package, FX4, B&O, the 20-inch six-spoke wheels, 36-gallon fuel tank, that 360-degree camera. I like the 373 gear with the 5-liter Coyote V8. That's phenomenal there. And so just a price point slightly more elevated. And once we got done with our additions, we're in the low 70 grand range. So trucks have definitely climbed up more and more, but they keep adding more value and greater technology. So at least they're giving us a better truck, even though the price points are continuing to climb. But nonetheless, a phenomenal truck, and we're going to offer a great discount right here at Aikens to help subsidize. So as it's getting dusky dark here today at Aikens, the LED headlights finally came on. Love that look, and stay tuned guys, because we've got so much coming for you on the 2021s. We're going to continue to push the envelope in all that we do in the automotive industry, and our trucks will be the same. So Covert's going to be a strong complement as the year rolls on, and going to see some things that are going to make your jaw drop. That's all I'll say. We've got several things planned that's going to be game changers, as always. Trying to do all we can for you right here at Aikens and Wild Willie's. Wild Willie TV, I'm Real Deal Neil for Everything Auto. It's been a good one. Hope you've enjoyed. Thanks so much.